Are you tired of computerized washing machines? Check out the rows and rows of electromechanical twin-tub washing machines based around timers that are still offered in the Thai market. We've got LG, we've got Hitachi, got your spin tub here, wash tub, got more LG, got Hisense, got Samsung, got Toshiba, TCL, got Hisense, and we have Sharp. This is a 13 kilogram model for 5,490 baht. Whoops. And this is a giant 20 kilogram model for just 9,000 baht. Wash tub with a bottom agitator. With bottom wash plate. I've got a spin tub over here. The construction, however, is fully plastic for maximum rust resistance. Would you be interested in washing with one of these straightforward timer-based machines? Not a computer inside.